At Bloomfield Cooling, Heating and Electric, we repair and install everything electrical. Are you searching for a reputable company that you can trust for all your electrical needs? Whether it's a standby generator, an electrical service upgrade, or any type of interior or exterior lighting, choose the company that's been named Best of Essex and has received the Super Service Award from Angie's List 10 years in a row. When you need an electrician, think Bloomfield Cooling, Heating and Electric. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Call us today.